Look at those. We got some beautiful Greek seasoning on these chicken legs. Got them on the Weber Smokey Mountain. These are just looking fabulous. So today we're going to make up some chicken legs. Been meaning to use this seasoning for a while. This is Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. So we're just going to go over these guys real liberally. And we just got back from a cruise also into the Greek islands. Had a great time, ate some great food there, really enjoyed a lot of the Greek seasonings. So you might see me doing a little bit of lamb here in the future and some other things kind of inspired by that Mediterranean cuisine. Making sure to get a good coating on all sides. There we go, got a real liberal coating on here. And thanks to a viewer, Medic Mike, for the idea of using this, because this is, I've been doing some of this on breakfast, on some eggs, and it's been really wonderful. So looking forward to trying this on the chicken and give it a little bit of that charcoal and wood smoke flavor to it. So now we're just gonna put it in the refrigerator for a little while, let the seasonings kind of permeate in there, let the salt that's in there do a little bit of its work and drawing out some of the moisture. That should give us a little bit crisper skin on this also. Gonna put a little bit of saran wrap over top of here, put it in the refrigerator. We're gonna go fire up the pit and get it going. All right, so we got the Weber Smokey Mountain going. Loaded up some charcoal, also have a little bit of cherry and apple wood in here. We are running right about 300 degrees on here up at the top. Grill surface is probably a little lower than that. So we're going to take these chicken legs and we're going to put them on. A little bit of rain today. Just started. Welcome to the Pacific Northwest. This will only keep going until, oh, I don't know, maybe July. So they say here in the Pacific Northwest, it only rains once a year. Starts in about October and ends in July. Probably not quite that bad. And these are looking good. Looking forward to this. Gonna put the top back on and we'll check in, give these a little bit of time. Checking in here. These are coming along nicely. Looks like we have a little hotter spot over in this end of the grill. Turn these around once. So I'm just going to kind of give this a little bit of a spin. So it's a good idea to give this a spin just in case your grill has an area that might be a little bit hotter and maybe an area that's cooler. If you spin it around, that helps out in that way. Yeah, I'm going to leave these on this side for a little while. All right, just probed these and we're about 165, so time to take them off. Oh, these are looking really fine. Yeah, I got some nice color on there. The smoke smell is wonderful. So, gonna be excited to give these a try. And there we go, they're all off, and we're gonna let them cool just a little bit. So time to give these a try. These are looking pretty wonderful. I'm gonna cut into those. Oh yeah, some good smoke in there. These are like super juicy. That's looking pretty good. Let's see what this tastes like. That is really good. With that Cavender's Greek seasoning, man, these are just super juicy. Really sealed them in well. Definitely a winner. Give this one a try. And if you don't mind, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. It really helps me because that way YouTube knows that you find this valuable and they'll promote my videos a little bit more. Also hit the like button. If you want to throw any comments down in the bottom there, please feel free to do so. And the most important thing is figure out what you're going to cook in your backyard this weekend. and thanks for watching.